hot as fuck. Why am I wearing this shit? I should have been still and it's hot there.
Did they all go that way?
Did they all go that way?
Nope, sorry. What?
Huh?
Hey, let's loop around and turn left. Right here. We gotta get on the highway. We gotta get on the highway, so if we go, we gotta go left, go back down and get on that exit, that fucking on-ramp over there. Here, come on. That's where that bridge is. He told us the wrong fucking way.
We went the wrong direction.
Yeah, we went.
The opposite way.
We went up into this way, down instead of fucking.
Holy fuck, we've been chasing him for like 2.5 hours.
I know, and breaking so many laws. It feels so good.
I need the picture.
Me too. I gotta pee so fucking bad. Is this a Denny's? Hell yeah.
Yeah, messages for everybody. It's 5 o'clock.
God damn it, bro. This is stupid. Go away. We've been fine without you.
It's everywhere.
Smile away, boys. Smile away. Motherfucker, dude.
I was about to get ready to run.
Oh, pull up. They're closed? I'm just gonna use this bush then. On the side, I bet. They're
Go
locked.
in the corner. You guys are guys.
No, I don't give a shit. Yeah, I mean, I'm good. Do you guys want to go to that bridge?
Dude, I got a bike. Aren't you happy?
Nice. That's snucking fast, huh?
It's a new bike.
I got a new bike.
Man, that was quick, girl.
All right, backpack?
Sure.
All right.
As long as he's okay with nuts to butts. That's what it is when he rides on the back.
Gotcha, bitch.
Around.
This is literally so fucking gay. We've been chasing him for 3 hours.
I know. Yeah, it's literally the opposite
Dude,
fucking way that we
The
came.
time that I look,
'Cause
like, when we first look way ahead in traffic and see the
we were
pack,
on
my heart
12
is gonna, like,
and
fucking jump. I'm gonna be so excited. Give me, like,
Dude, I kept thinking we found them. Like, all the small groups of riders we've been seeing. I keep
We literally
thinking,
keep finding all the ones that are peeling off, but not that cool.
bitch.
That Jixer U-turn is coming back. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Yeah, I mean, we can go to that bridge if you guys fucking want
I'm
to.
about to jump off of it.
Kroger just opened my message for you.
Son of a bitch. It's busy as shit over here, too.
Yeah, this is fucked. What is this?
Message the dude to tell you next time there's a gas stop as well.
I mean,
Because you know they're riding all night.
Well, apparently there's a party later.
Oh, no shit. Tomorrow's my birthday, perfect excuse. What is going on there? Don't make eye contact. Just look away. I mean, because they're gonna be on that bridge going home. So we could probably catch up to them. Because that's what Homeboy said. They were gonna go to the bridge and then loop back around.
well, if
But
we get to the bridge and they're not there, I'm jumping off.
the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, there's plenty of places. We can even get higher than just.
Did you get like a nice video of it? Like,
Yeah. No, we'll go together.
Yeah.
Falling Toby.
Yeah.
Throw your phone up if you fall and I'll catch it.
Yeah. Throw the
Do, like,
phone
some
down first and then
slow-mo.
jump. Yeah, I mean, if you guys don't follow me, but I really have to fucking piss.
Go over there.
You see that lady over there? I'm not trying to get fucking sexual.
Go in that little corner there.
In that little corner. I'm gonna go around the back of the building, see what's going on. I'm taking my bike. Oh yeah, it's a long walk. I'm gonna ride over there. Hey, when you get your own bike, you
I
can.
have my own bike.
But where is it?
It has 2 bikes.
Yeah, I have 2 bikes.
Could be. Oh shit, go! Nah, there ain't nowhere to go. I'm about to go right fucking there, bro. I'm dying.
Why is your dick out?
There's security guard.
Damn, bitch, that felt good.
There's a security guard in the car right there. He just got out of his car and looked at us.
I don't give a shit.
Dude.
I don't give a
I'm
shit.
gonna hold it till we get somewhere else.
Nah, bro, pick my corner. Pardon the stank.
You're not too tall.
Come on, whip it out. Thunk. Let's hear that thud. Oh, that cup just found us. I'm just kidding. It's fine.